Idea. I take a piece of cardboard. Using a regular plate, I draw 2 circles. Next, using regular scissors, I cut out these 2 circles. Then I divide the circle into 8 equal parts. I draw another circle. And I assign each sector from 1 to 8. And this one too. Same, from 1 to 8. Next, I coat each sector with glue. I don't forget about the second disc either. Now I'm going to glue the cups to the discs. This must be done carefully and cautiously. I do the same with the second disc and cups. Just as carefully and attentively. I'm waiting for the glue to dry. And so we got an interesting game made from simple materials. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss interesting game and craft ideas.